Okay, building a healthcare app. It's tough. So let's run through the essential MVP checklist.
It's not about a lack of ideas, right? It's all about sequencing them under some crazy constraints.
If you're building one, you already know the stakes are just incredibly high from the get-go.
Yeah, we're talking way beyond code. This is about patient safety, compliance, and earning trust.
All right, first section. Before you even think about code, you got to nail down the who and the what.
Your goal? A super thin slice of high value. And hey, listing what you're not doing is absolutely crucial.
Okay, section 2, compliance. And listen, don't think of this as a roadblock. It's a design guide. So first things first, will your app handle PHI? Because if it does, the game completely changes.
And if the answer is yes, then HIPAA isn't optional. You've got to follow its security and privacy rules.
Think of a BAA as a required legal contract with any vendor that might touch that sensitive data. And you know what? A simple matrix like this is a lifesaver for tracking who's compliant.
All right, on to the tech. The big challenge here is balancing simplicity for now with scale for later.
This is a huge decision. Do you want easier isolation that costs more, or save money with stricter security?
So many founders trip up here. Don't go for the hardest integration first. You gotta phase it.
Seriously, just walk before you run. Start with simple file uploads to prove the concept works.
Okay, last section. Let's bring it all together and talk about launching with confidence. Once you're live, don't chase vanity metrics. What really matters is reliability and real user value.
For your error rate, you should be aiming for less than 1%. That's how you build trust.
And P95 latency, it basically tells you your app feels fast for pretty much everyone. It's a huge deal. All right, before hitting that big red launch button, let's do a final rapid-fire check.
First up, access control. Are the right people, and only the right people, getting in? Check.
Next, security. Is all that sensitive data locked down tight, moving or not? This is non-negotiable.
And last, can you see what's going on under the hood? And can you recover if things break?
So look, your MVP doesn't have to be massive. It just needs to be solid, safe, and clear. So, is your foundation really built to carry that weight? That's the question you have to answer.